thanks for tuning in to the official Reversion Raceworks YouTube channel. Today I will be talking you through the installation of our new Dash Defense screen protectors for your Holley EFI digital dashes. First, let's go through what comes in the package. First, you have the screen protector, the microfiber, alcohol towelette, screen cleaner, squeegee, tacky pad, and instructions. First step in preparing your screen for installation is to wipe it down with the provided microfiber. Please be sure to get in the corners and clean off any dirt or debris. Next, take off any lingering debris with the tacky pad. It is double-sided, so it does not matter which side you peel off first. Third step is to remove any oils or smudges from the screen using the provided alcohol wipe. Finally, use the microfiber to dry off the screen and make sure it is completely clean before installation. Now it is time to install your Dash Defense screen protector. Remove the backside using the clear tab first and align the first edge with the corresponding edge on the screen. You may use the provided squeegee to smooth out any air pockets that may form. Another method of installing your screen protector is to use your finger in a zigzag pattern as shown here, working your way down until it is fully installed. Make sure every corner is firmly in place before finally removing the front film marked by the orange tab. Here you can see the benefits of the Reversion Raceworks Dash Defense. Reduction in glare, anti-fingerprint, and scratch resistant to protect your investment and make it easier to see on track days. To install on the Holley 7-inch and 3.5-inch screens, repeat the same steps as before. Thoroughly clean the screen surface with the provided tools and install.